Welcome. In this video, we'll provide an introduction to the AWS Elastic Beanstalk service. Elastic Beanstalk is another AWS compute service option. It provides an easy way to get web applications up and running on the AWS cloud. AWS Elastic Beanstalk automatically handles infrastructure provisioning and configuration, deployment, load balancing, automatic scaling, health monitoring, analysis and debugging, and logging. You upload your code and Elastic Beanstalk automatically handles the deployment, from capacity provisioning to load balancing to automatic scaling and monitoring and application health. When you use AWS Elastic Beanstalk, you retain full control over the AWS resources that power your application, and you can choose to access the underlying resources at any time. There is no additional charge for AWS Elastic Beanstalk. You only pay for the AWS resources, such as EC2 or S3 buckets, that you create and store and run your application on. You only pay for what you use, as you use it. AWS Elastic Beanstalk enables you to deploy your code through the AWS Management Console, the AWS Command Line Interface, Visual Studio, or Eclipse. It supports a broad range of platforms, including Java, .NET, PHP, Node.js, Python, Ruby, Go, and Docker. Elastic Beanstalk provides all the application services that you need for your application. The only thing you must create is your code. AWS Elastic Beanstalk deploys your code on several popular application web servers. In summary, Elastic Beanstalk is fast and simple to start using. You use the AWS Management Console, a Git repository, or an IDE such as Eclipse or Visual Studio to upload your application. You can improve developer productivity by focusing on writing code instead of managing and configuring servers, databases, load balancers, firewalls, and networks. Elastic Beanstalk is also difficult to outgrow. Your application can handle peaks in workload or traffic. It automatically scales your application up and down based on your application's specific needs by using easily adjustable automatic scaling settings. You can even use CPU utilization metrics to trigger automatic scaling actions. Finally, you have the freedom to select the AWS resources, such as Amazon EC2 instance type, that are optimal for your application. Elastic Beanstalk enables you to retain full control over the AWS resources that power your application. If you decide that you want to take over some or all of the elements of your infrastructure, you can do so by using the management capabilities that are provided by Elastic Beanstalk. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next video.